Welcome to Data Catch Up YouTube channel. Hey, make sure to subscribe for data science empowered videos. 3 mistakes to avoid in a data science interview. People ask me a lot about how to land a data science job, or how to switch careers, or how to study for a job interview. Mostly my answer is to do some MOOCs, create some projects, participate in Kaggle, try to get in a startup, and don't give up. But yet, there are some things everyone should understand about data science jobs. Data science jobs involve a lot of to and fro communication and involve a lot of people handling skills. And as such, even if you don't realize, you'll be inadvertently tested on these skills. Sometimes you may feel like, I am a programmer and let me code in peace. Or how does my behavior matter? The point is, it does. This post is about explaining some of the worst mistakes people do in a data science interview so that you don't end up repeating them. 1. Lost your entitlement. This is what I often call the survivorship bias in data science. So you want to be a rockstar data scientist, maybe get a job in the booming sector. HBR did say that there is going to be a shortage of data scientists and you feel like you are just the right person for the job. I do take interviews a lot right now and I see a lot of people suffering from survivorship bias. Just a while back, I interviewed an individual who has some experience in the field. Let's call him Dave. I asked Dave a simple math-based question. This is a data science interview, so I guess he should have expected it, right? No, his answer was, we have packages for doing all this. I ignored that, letting it go as one-off. Asked a different question, he said, why am I asking math questions? The thing this told me about Dave is that he feels entitled. Just because Dave sees a lot of people getting into data science, he thinks he should also get in. What Dave doesn't understand is that for every successful data scientist, there are a lot of people who don't make it. All Dave sees are the survivors, and that is a mistake. Hey, to be updated on future tech career videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the like button to help others find this video. 2. The Overconfidence Effect. So I recently also interviewed John for a data science role. I started by asking about his projects and previous work. He confidently explained his projects. We talked about his various projects for the first 30 minutes, and I was pretty much convinced that he has a place in the team. Up till now, I hadn't asked much of technical questions, and here is where I started getting skeptical. The thing was, John would explain anything I asked pretty confidently, albeit wrongly. He would try to explain to me concepts he wouldn't know. I felt as if he thought that maybe I didn't know the answer to my questions, so he can confidently answer anything. And this happened 2 or 3 times during the interview. Now, don't get me wrong. Confidence is good, and a health habit of it is necessary. But being confident and wrong spells disaster. Can I trust John to handle business? What would happen if he committed something wrong to the business or made elevated claims and didn't realize them afterwards? Overconfidence has been called the most pervasive and potentially catastrophic of all the cognitive biases to which human beings fall victim. It has been blamed for lawsuits, strikes, wars, and stock market bubbles and crashes. In fact, I would prefer a non-confident and wrong person, at least, then I would know to check my facts. 3. Keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is the practice of overloading one's resume with skills they may not know. The typical excuses to do this are, a lot of people do this, HR might not select me. The system works like that only. Okay? You might call it a necessary evil. I will call it you are setting up yourself for a failure. And you might get that occasional interview call when you do this. The odds are pretty much stacked up against you as you will grilled based on your resume, and you will be expected to know it well. If John puts decision trees in his resume, John should expect a question around it. Or if John says that he has implemented a machine learning algorithm from scratch, I would not be wrong to expect Mark to explain the algorithms in details. The point is that it is alright if you don't know everything. Nobody ever does, but lies on your resume. But lie on your resume, you've made your interviewer's job easier, as these kinds of lies are pretty easy to capture. Conclusively, I would say that an interview is about judging someone with a time frame. Furthermore, a lot of companies now take behavioral rounds apart from the regular data science rounds, and being ingenious and entitled or overconfident will obviously not help you. So I would say that being respectful and nice goes a long way, and you should aim for it in life and not just in the interview room. That way, you also get a lot of practice and you become a better person as well. For more data science career videos, subscribe to this channel for notification on future videos.